Okay guys, let's take a quick quiz. Number 1 says, which of the following is the properly constructed HTML? Remember that HTML normally has an opening tag and a closing tag. Let's look at A. A has an opening tag and a closing tag. But B doesn't have an opening tag. It has a closing tag because of that forward slash in it. So the answer is A. Number 2, which says, which is the character or sign that we put before the greater than? So remember that we always put the forward slash, not the backward slash, when we want to close a tag. Like a P paragraph that we just saw, it has the forward slash in it. So let's click on next. Number 3, and it says true or false, element cannot be nested. And it's true, element cannot be nested. Elements are also called tags. Now number 4, which says, what are the elements without an element content and an end tag called? It's called an empty element. That is what it's called. So I'm just going to go ahead and tick on that empty element. Tick on it. We are almost there. Number 5. Which of the following is the properly constructed HTML element? And looking at it, we can say it's our letter A. Letter A is properly constructed. If you look at it, we have our opening tag and closing tag, and we have our forward slash in the last tag right there. But in letter B, we have our forward slash at the beginning, which is totally wrong. That's it, guys. Let's click on finish right now. Okay, now let's go through the answers. Yep, got that. Oh no, I just remembered. Number 5, HTML element can be nested. I made a mistake. Okay, let me prove it. Okay, now let's take a look at the simple structure of an HTML. If you notice, it always has an opening tag and a closing tag, and they're always into each other. So HTML can be nested.